Hello and welcome to the Seafoam Isles Draft League, Season 2, Week 8. I know it's been a minute since I last uploaded a video to this because, it's been weird. So basically my match didn't get recorded and then basically I said, screw it, I'm just going to upload an uncommented version of the game. But here we are. This match already happened 3 days ago. We've been on track. And the reason why there was no weekly update is because everything got screwed over by my video not getting uploaded and all that. So, yeah, I'm just going to cut to the chase. This match is between Sacramento Samurotts, coached by King Belgarian on the left, and Sir Roland on the right, who is the coach of the Mid-Coast Brave Birds. The Mega Pokemon in this matchup are Mega Heracross for Sir Roland, and for King, the Mega Pokemon is Mega Gyarados. Not here. The Z Pokemon for each team are Enian Fernape and Z Attack Stakataka for King. And for Roland, the Z Pokemon are Gardevoir and Eni Zoroark. Zoroark's not here, but yeah, Gardevoir is. So, I'm looking at this right now. King gets smashed by Gardevoir. So Gardevoir has Psychic Focus Blast and Moon Blast. Fourth move, Calm Mind. GG. That's that's game. I suppose Heracross is fast enough to the point where it's oh wait, Heracross is wow, I'm dumb. But Calm Mind Gardevoir just destroys King. I guess Taunt Toxic Mew could work. However, if Gardevoir is synchronized, then Bulky Mew kind of just explodes. It could also run Heal Bell, but then your last move has to be an attacking move because you're already running 3. And that means no reliable recovery. So that's going to be really hard for King to maneuver around. Gardevoir just looks so dangerous. Whimsicott with Tailwind has actually been rather prevalent for Roland pretty much every week. It's actually kind of fun. And Heatran looks really strong as well. Yeah. With Magma Storm, Earth Power, just cleaving everything. And then Taunt, just to beat Mew, maybe 1v1, is really, really nice. So I would say that in terms of team, Roland's got some really good picks, but he's also fighting Infernape with Gunk Shot and a Fire move, which kills everyone. Except for Mesprit. And you turn on Mesprit. So it's just Infernape's a ginormous problem. Stakataka looks annoying, especially since Sir Roland seems like he's elected to bring the one Pokemon in the game slower than Stakataka. Which is kind of funny. Because Trapinch with minus speed can actually underspeed Stakataka, and Stakataka has to run Iron Ball and Trick Room. It's to become slower. So it's just Trick Room on Trick Room. Really funny. But I don't know if Trick Room will work for King because Trapinch exists. Anyways, King's team just looks... While it has some glaring weaknesses to a few specific Pokemon, it's not it's impossible. Betting Mesprit and Infernape. Nope. I guess the monkey's not here. Gardevoir and Kira. That's weird. I was feeling pretty good about my leads. This is the 1 week Roland hasn't led Mesprit, and I'm it's gonna be Mesprit, and then here it's not Mesprit. Insta Trick Room, screen goes pink. Moonblast comes off, does 31%, drops the special attack of Mew. Bulk Up goes off. Uh-oh. Another bulky Mew. Wow. That's so innovative. That's kind of funny. Bulk up again. Yep. I think it's just gonna be bulk up, bulk up, bulk up, bulk up, soft boil, bulk up, soft boil. So yeah, we're just seeing some unrelenting setup by the Mew right now. Roost comes off. What can kill this at +2? Like Heracross can obviously kill this with Pin Missile, but can it survive a Zen Headbutt? Is it faster? Roost comes off here. But does Pin Missile kill through +2 defense bulky Mew? That's my question. I mean, it is Mega Heracross. Or are you double? Okay. Psychic Fangs does 35%, which is a lot. There's no Toxic, so nothing can break through Mew. It's looking really hard for Roland right now. I don't know how. Like, I suppose Heatran maybe kills Mew, but someone needs to dispatch those boosts. Because Mew is getting bigger and bigger, dude. Mew is slamming down these protein shakes, becoming like God fetus. I don't know if anything can kill this. Certainly nothing can kill it in one hit, unless Heracross crits. If Heracross crits even one Pin Missile, that's dead Mew. But if it doesn't manage a crit, that's probably really bad news. Pin Missile. Let's see, does he crit? It'll only do 28% if the crit lands, which is funny. Psychic Fangs definitely kills back from here. Yep. Down goes that Pokemon. So it would have taken 4 crits to kill Mew. From that range, which is really weird. It only did a quarter of Mew's health. Oh wait, it would have done a lot. I lied. I forgot it multiplied the damage by 1.5. Psychic Fangs does 35%. There is no Toxic. Nothing can kill Mew. Well, I mean, Mew can't really kill Mesprit easily. Psychic Fangs isn't doing enough. Holy crap. Yes, crit U-turn. Just what I needed. Just what I needed to crit the wrong move. Wow. Wow. Does this have close combat? Will a Magma Storm kill from here? Find out next time on this. Doesn't kill. Leftovers save, baby. And Drain Punch. That's like the ultimate kick in the balls. Oh, you're 3% away from killing me? Not anymore. Gardevoir can come in and Moonblast crit this. Do it. Do it. That would be hilarious. Oh, well, yeah. Z Fairy. Z Bloom Doom. That killed. Okay. Mew finally died. Thank you for getting that, like, beast of nature off my screen. Oh, crap. Well, from one beast of nature to the next, here is Stakataka. Boom. Huge gyro ball. Does Mesprit have a move to hit Monkey? That's just a big monkey. Yeah, Stakataka is just a building monkey. Power Up Punch does not do... I don't know if King realizes that Trap Inch is slower than Stack Attack. Gyro Ball kills. Yep. Miscalculated it. Because Gyro Ball is not going to kill. Even at +1, Gyro Ball doesn't kill Trap Inch. Oh no. Trap Inch is gonna kill the big man. Get annihilated, building boy. Yeah. Oh no. Well, it was a good run. It was a good run, Trap Inch. I don't know why everyone's acting like Trap Inch is that bad to the point where it's like, oh wow, Trap Inch did something? That's crazy. Trap Inch is not that bad. Like, it has a good ability and 100 base attack. And it's a good Trick Room Pokemon on singles if you get it off, so. Sludge Bomb kills from here. Yep. Goodbye. So does Gardevoir kill from here with Psychic? I mean, Trap Inch could kill if this isn't Levitate. Oh wait, yeah. I don't think there's anything that was going to let that kill. Earthquake does 40. Wow. The big bad dirt baby strikes again. Why would you switch? No, what are you doing? Don't switch. Oh no, no, oh no, oh no. Heavy Slam explodes Gardevoir. What did Gardevoir have? Giga Drain? I wonder. We will never know now. So down goes Gardevoir. Trap Inch, the last opponent. First impression does -% to Mudsdale, and Heavy Slam probably finish. Why would you rest? You weren't gonna lose. Oh well, I don't think it matters, but Sleep Talk should kill, right? Humiliated by Dirt Baby crit. And Body Press takes out Trap Inch for a 4-0 victory for King. Honestly, if Roland didn't switch Gardevoir into this, I think Gardevoir could have won by itself. I don't know. Because, yeah, Psychic, Moonblast, Psychic. And then whatever the grass move was, Kaboom, GG. You know, I don't think it really matters, though. This guy got a kill. Honestly, you know, if Trap Inch crit Mudsdale, it was over. King lost. Actually, probably not, but there was potential for that to be an L if Trap Inch got an Earthquake crit on Mudsdale, which is actually kind of funny. But yeah, really fun game. I don't know. Roland's games are always really fun to watch, and I really appreciate that. So good games to both sides, and yeah.